Good morning, students. As in chapter 1 we have done about parts of seed. So for better understanding I will do an activity to show you different parts of seed. Here I have some seeds. You are also familiar with these seeds. You have seen at your home. This is a seed of gram. This is pea. These are rice seed. This is almond. So seeds are, when they are dry, it is very difficult to examine them. So for examining I have soaked these seeds for 4 or 5 hours so that seed become bigger in size and become soft also. So a seed has 3 main parts: seed coat, cotyledons and baby plant. So take a soaked seed and remove the outer covering. This is skin like covering, and this skin like covering is called seed coat. What is the function of seed coat? It protects the internal parts of the seed. Here I have removed it, so this is called seed coat. After seed coat we can see this white part. This is called cotyledons, or the second name is seed leaves. So after seed leaves, what is the function of seed leaves or cotyledons? They store food for the baby plant. So if I open this seed, it has 2 parts, and this is called, these are 2 seed cotyledons, and this is baby plant which will grow into a new plant. Okay, so baby plant is taking food from the cotyledons. So function of cotyledon is to provide food for the baby plant. So in the same way we can do this activity by taking seeds of gram, pea, bean seed. Here I have some seeds of rice. Can I open this seed into 2 parts? No. So it has only 1 cotyledon. So this is called monocot. If a seed has only 1 cotyledon, it is called monocot. Like monocot seeds you have also seen at your home, maize, wheat, etc. And if the seed has 2 parts, or if I can open it into 2 parts, this seed is called dicot seeds, like almond, gram, pea, bean seed. These are called dicot seed. So you can differentiate between monocot seeds and dicot seeds. You can do this activity at your home by using different seeds and can understand the topic. Thank you.